Make me smile. You make me smile.
What else? What have you been talking about?
You're going on and on.
What else?
What? Tell us. You can tell us. Tell us. Spit it out. Say, I'm a pretty girl. I'm a pretty girl. Yes, I'm so pretty. I'm so pretty. Oh,
She farted too.
are you so pretty?
She's like, Mom's phone's there.
Oh.
I'm stopping. Is it recording?
Oh. What? Oh, goodness.
Does she have the hiccups?
Yeah. What?
Doggone
Go ahead,
hiccups.
tell us about it.
Ugh,
Oh.
That's what she's got to say about that.
Is that what you think about that?
Yeah, this hiccups. I'm done.
What? Hi. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh,
Can you say
doggone
elephant?
it.
Can you say elephant? That's what I told him at work. I did. Can you say it?
You were talking so much. As soon as I hit record.
Elephant. Elephant. Now get rid of your hiccups. It's funny to watch people say it. Say elephant. Oh,
Hi. So those hiccups are really ruining your talking, huh?
Say elephant. Oh, say it. Elephant.
Hi, mamas. Look at her staring at my phone.
She's like, I know what you're doing. I would get mad too. I would get mad too.
Turn it upside down.
I'm a superstar. Hi, I'm a superstar VIP.
It's like that guy that taking pictures of his newborn and then dropped it. I'm like scared.
What? What? Tell us about it. Say it.
Okay, Mom, but your phone's on me.
What? What? You're a pretty princess. What are you doing? Oh. No, you get so excited they just sneak out sometimes. They just sneak out. I know.
This whole video is upside down because I've got it, like, you know.
That's okay. I know. Yeah? Yeah? Is Daddy gonna get this one? Is Mommy gonna send it to Daddy? Can you say hi, Daddy? Say hi, Daddy.
Oh, the hiccups have made her
Are
mad.
you mad at those hiccups?
She was talking so much.
Say go away, hiccups.
And now the hiccups have just made her mad.
Go away, hiccups. Go away, hiccups.
Be gone, hiccups.
Go away, hiccups. Go away, hiccups. Say it. Say be gone. Say be gone.
I like it when she hikes her leg and farts.
Amaya, say be gone, hiccups. Be gone. Be gone, you peasant.
This poor baby is not going to know her name because we call her Mama,
I know.
Sister, Baby, Princess, Straw Baby.
Say, but is it bad to be known as princess?
Really?
Not really.
Really is it?
When you're this beautiful, people mix you up all the time. They do. You just can't help it.
Life. Okay, give the phone a kiss. Okay, bye.